Go on, bud. Get us some cows, Dexter.
Yeah, that's just all I get from there.
Get Dexter cam going here. Get a cow, Dex. Want to go cut a cow? No. Don't back up. Walk forward. Here they come. Get a cow. Here we go. Go for number 2. That boy. Get number 2. You got him. Stay on him, Dexter. Good boy. Good job, Dexter. You got it. You got number 2. All right, let's go get another one. You want number 2 still, do you? He says, I got him. I'm keeping him. Whoa. No, he's just going to stay right on him, too. Okay. Whoa.
Oh, look, see? She went to tender ears and almost bit him.
Uh-oh.